Tripura crime branch achieved a major breakthrough after intercepting a vehicle without license plate and seized a massive consignment of 10,000 Yaba tablets at Ranirbazaar. The crime branch have seized the vehicle along with the contraband and registered a case under NDPS Act. Acting on precise intelligence, a specialized crime branch team led by SI Rajiv Chaudhary laid a trap near the Ranirbazaar fire station. The team intercepted a car without license plate which was suspected of transporting illicit contraband. A thorough search of the vehicle led to the discovery and seizure of 10,000 highly addictive Yaba tablets. 2 individuals traveling in the vehicle were immediately taken into custody. The crime branch has seized the vehicle along with the contraband and registered a case under the NDPS Act. Authorities are currently interrogating the suspects to map out the broader interstate drug syndicate and identify local distributors. Bureau report, Chini, Khorang.